Hey everyone, the Black Queen here with another episode of FIM Reacts, and today I'm going to be reacting to this week's episode of MLP, Friendship Magic Season 8, Episode 23, I think. I don't know, I've been wrong the past few times. Last one was actually Episode 22, which I accidentally said was Episode 21. I've been mixed up with a lot of this. Now before I get into this, I want to say that two of my videos, my reactions to Episode 16 and 17, they've been blocked. I disputed them, but they still rejected it. So I'm either going to re-upload them and then just hope for the best, or redirect them. So if you want to comment down which one you think would be better, because it's likely it might just get blocked again if I upload it, but I've done it before and sometimes it doesn't get blocked. Or it does, and then I reject it, I dispute it, and then, you know, it goes through afterwards. But, yeah, enough of that. This is Sounds of Silence. If you're a Simon & Garfunkel fan like me, I'm not really a fan, but I like the song. So you'll get the joke, you'll get the reference. I mean, I don't think it's a joke, but you'll get the reference. Now, I was spoiled on something that might be pretty big, I don't know, but that just because of the thumbnails I've seen, that there are going to be some weird, I don't know, there's weird designed characters in this. I don't know, they seem interesting. I'm interested to see what they are. Apart from that, I don't know, so let's just get right into it. 3, 2, 1, play.
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest. This is amazing.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean?
I think I saw a thumbnail with those two too.
Before. Exactly. This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest.
Ah, okay.
That is special.
Is it?
Must be because we're extra good at solving friendship problems.
I hope so, because it looks like this one might be a little tricky.
What was the last one
You're going to the
that they did?
peaks
I don't know.
of peril.
I don't remember.
The peaks of peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in clouds and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
Meth.
Fair point. So, what can you tell us about the place, Twilight?
Only what Rockhoof told me. Back in
Oh.
his day, no pony knew much about the peaks of peril, except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Now we know why the map called us.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Nirik, fearsome beasts of pure fire.
Oh.
Oh, maybe
That sounds edgy.
should go instead of me, Twilight.
Wow.
Sorry, Fluttershy.
Way to
Links
dial
don't
back
lie.
on all that character development.
I'm sure the two of us will get that friendship problem solved no matter what kind of creature has it.
Thy little pony, thy little pony. Ah. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Alright. Sorry. So yeah. This is gonna be interesting. I'm not sure, I mean, I know what's gonna come, I just don't know exactly what the plot's gonna be. I'm assuming that we're gonna see both those, different sides of whatever. And maybe there's just a misunderstanding like before. Alright. Kiss trains work like that.
Guess no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Maybe they know something we don't.
Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times.
Oh.
There's nothing to be scared.
I'm sorry.
That was a weird shadow.
You really
Or-
startled us.
I mean, I don't know if it's a shadow, but you know.
It's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final
They've done it a lot of times.
destination. The last stop.
We get the picture. Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
Why does this feel like a SpongeBob character?
Well, maybe
Spell,
there's
okay.
a little something to be scared of.
There's noise in the background, sorry. think we've all noticed that, but it kind of shines in this, that Applejack's voice has gotten much deeper. Oh. Oh, sliders? Is that what those were? And Fluttershy just flew over. Oh, actually, no.
Tough going, huh?
Oh, she didn't even follow. Oh, come on. Oh, okay.
There. That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually...
That feeling when you leave home and then forget your phone.
I know, but what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figure if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack!
Oh, God.
Can you please listen to me?
Oh, my God.
What I'm trying to say is, the squirrel told me a shortcut they take to the Kieran village.
I love that. That was amazing.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Oh. And, yeah, that's something.
I hope that's not in here.
Who do we
Show
have
yourself!
here? Please. Oh. Oh, that's interesting design. I don't think I've seen those. I've seen some of the other ones, but I haven't seen that tall one before.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
Oh, sounds of silence. Okay.
Quiet bunch, ain't they? We're from Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all.
They're all muse. This is where vinyl belongs, then.
So, what are your names? Applejack, Fluttershy. Remember?
Maybe they don't understand us.
They don't understand Ponish.
You understand
The words that
Polish?
are coming out of my mouth.
Oh. But
Okay, they
you
actually
don't
use the word
speak?
Ponish.
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment? You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can always tell what Angel is feeling, but
Oh.
these Kieran don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is? These Kieran are quieter than an apple blossom on snowfall.
Oh my gosh.
There's gotta be something
All
they can
these,
speak.
I don't know. Similes.
Beautiful day, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Knock, knock. Now you say, who's there? Police! Police who? Police! Say something!
Like I said, these are very interesting
Uh-oh.
creatures. I don't know. Are they
I feel a
ponies?
sneeze coming on. Achoo!
Gesundhoof.
Oh,
Is it Gesundhoof or
don't
Gesundheit?
any of y'all talk?
One does.
Now we're getting somewhere.
A dark, spooky path that
Nice.
leads into unknown territory?
I'll tell you what, Sugar Cube. You stay and
She
see if
thinks
you can get
everyone's name
anything
is
out of
Sugar
these
Cube.
here Kieran. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be careful.
So are they
Watch out for
ponies?
T-Rex.
I think they are, but I don't know. Oh. Oh. It's a bunny. Is it a bunny? Oh, it's a squirrel.
Phew.
Oh god.
Ah! Oh, have you seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Something.
Gotcha. Sorry, but that was too good.
Okay, so
Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hi, hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. While. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've just arrived, and perhaps you're tired,
okay, I like this
hungry,
pony.
or reflective, and want to.
Oh my gosh, the ears are weird.
Journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me, I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
That was a lot to take in.
Was something, all right.
Yeah.
Wow. This is amazing. Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forest and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing, and we are all it.
I was gonna say. It's
God
pretty,
damn.
but, yeah.
And this is just
She
the
is
first stop on a
extremely
journey of amazing
interesting.
things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to,
That what?
process.
The what of silence? I couldn't hear that.
That deal with.
Whoa there. Vow of
Oh,
silence?
vowel of silence. Okay.
That's why they asked me to leave.
'Cause you were
I hope It's
talking.
not a sore subject, but
It's a
do you mind
library.
explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
Which you haven't told to
Rather
anyone in a
not
while.
Talk about it.
No.
That's-
I'd rather sing.
Oh, okay. We got a song in this.
La, 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 la. The Kieran used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. Most and it was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed.
Oh.
Destruction quickly spread.
Oh, okay. I think I see. I see what's going on.
Red from head to head, even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy village lay in ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse.
Mm-hmm.
No more talking, yelled our leader. The last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence we stepped as a crowd. The water cooled emotions and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. Rainbows won't light up the sky.
That's interesting. Sudoku is used as something, I don't know. Oh my god.
Silent prison with the voices in my head, till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs and daily dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety
Wait.
reviews. Or the story about the
Okay, I'm just gonna skip over that.
And he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude. So
Wow.
we took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater? The village
That's
leader
interesting.
made it clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move, with just the view for company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys.
Wow. Take it away, Penny! I swear, Blank Check doesn't make a SpongeBob joke when he sees this, and he'll be very disappointed.
It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain.
That was a really great song.
Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry. That's what I said. You know, when I started talking again.
Yeah.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with. Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
Wow.
Right. Well, I'm thinking if we just
It sounds
go
like
talk to the other
something
Kira,
in the.
we can
Oh,
get him
crap,
to
what was that?
welcome you
What
back
was that one
properly.
band's name?
Maybe even convince him to take your
Casey and the
cure.
Sunshine Band.
Yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my
Yeah, I love
antidote,
this song from
it's
the My Little
gone.
Pony movie.
There's no cure left? I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since. Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy.
Wait, aren't they the
I'm gonna
flowers
start
that
by getting your friends
Fluttershy
to welcome you back.
had? Oh,
You know,
I
between you and me,
I see the
I'm
problem.
not sure she's gonna convince them. Nope. But I hope she does.
I think I see the problem that's coming up. Like, the squirrels needed those flowers, and so do they.
Guess what?
And they have to
I figured
compromise.
out the friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kira never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no.
No,
We
no.
can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
The Kirin are usually peaceful and kind. But when they get mad, they turn into Nereids.
Yeah,
Creatures made of fire
She knows
and
that.
vengeance.
we know this.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So
Yeah.
Kirin decided to make sure it would never
We know
happen
this.
again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Nerik in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving
Okay,
up all
I
your
see
feelings.
the problem here.
Applejack, you're not listening.
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Maybe
Banishment.
they were worried because we were arguing with each other.
Oh, shucks.
I didn't know they
We're
had
just
magic.
having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where are they taking us?
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
Oh God. Wait.
It's all right. I think I know this one.
Is that?
She's trying to help.
Yeah, it is.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who'll speak to me.
Ha.
She talks?
You have no idea. Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire. But I thought Nereids were dangerous when they're angry.
They're trying to
I
build a
tried
wall.
to control
No.
your temper.
I didn't. Well, I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them. And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fern Flare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it? I know you're worried about
So they
fighting,
can't talk.
but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
Just
On
recently.
the way here, and about the Kirin being
Yeah.
silent, and right now.
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry,
This also feels like a
take
lesson
some time
to
away
the
be
end
a
of a
Nereid
friend.
where it won't hurt any pony.
I think they're trying to say something. Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kieran trapped in a well?
Oh my
Baby
God.
fish. Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Ah, just write it down. Ugh, this is making me furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
All right.
You were saying.
Boop.
Oh, you want the cure for the stream of
Yeah,
silence?
okay.
That's wonderful. Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73.5 times. Although I wonder
And
if that
Fluttershy found
second
it.
half could make a difference.
I
Fluttershy
wish she
knows what
told
they
us
are.
what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called foal's breath.
I'd never heard of that.
The squirrel knows, because that's what Fluttershy was
Fluttershy?
using the,
Little help?
like, I don't know.
He says he knows where to find fool's breath.
Well, what are we waiting for? Lead the way!
So were the squirrels harvesting all of it?
That's what fool's breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
'Cause if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this
Mhm.
here flower.
And if your
Okay, I see. Yeah, that's why.
convince the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents.
Damn.
Oh, right. First things first.
Comedic tangents are the importance. They can talk again! Yippee.
Autumn Blaze, you
I expected her to sound like Celestia.
The realization that anger is
I don't know
within
why,
us,
but at the same time I also
it is
know why.
our choice
Because she reminds
how
me,
we let it out.
she seems a
We
lot like
would very
Celestia.
much like it if you came back to live with us. I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. Now you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
Nice. Oh, okay, that was a cool ending right there. Just the hoof bump. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that was a really great episode. I mean, I'm recently the past few episodes I think were some of the best of the series. I mean of the season, but also even even the season, the series. I don't know. They've just been on a good roll this season. I don't know. Some people don't like it just because it feels different than the past, but I like this change. It feels more world building and plot building. There's a lot of suspense that's been going on, so I'm excited for a lot of that. And I know the finale is going to be coming in about a couple weeks, so yeah. Now about the Kieran, those are very well designed. I think they feel very OC inspired, because you know a lot of OCs on DeviantArt and stuff, they'd have like nature themed OCs. But yeah, I think those are very interesting characters, and I like the songs too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the commentary. God bless you, safe, have a nice day, and as always, goodbye.